Hey, it's Isaac with Release Cleaner. Thanks for joining me today. We're here to do a product spotlight on the IK Multi Pro 2. So let's jump right in. Release Cleaner is an all-surface interior and exterior cleaner and degreaser. Its associative technology and extreme value makes Release the best product for your cleaning needs. Visit releasecleaner.com. So in front of me, this is what's going to come in your shipment. We have the Multi Pro 2 sprayer, of course, a little accessory bag right here, and an instruction manual for the sprayer. So let's talk about features and upgrades and what IK did from the Multi 1.5 to now the Multi 2.0. So one of the big things that they added here was the locking mechanism on the handle. So with this locking mechanism, if you're not using the sprayer or you're setting it off to the side, you can lock the handle so you don't accidentally press and spray your friend. Okay, it comes in handy, especially when the canister is pressurized. And then when you're ready, you just flip it around and you press the button on the other side, and it's ready to shoot again. This Multi 2 sprayer comes with a really nice sturdy base, a translucent tank so you can see the liquid on the inside, and it also comes with a 50-ounce capacity. This is a significantly larger sprayer than what the 1.5 was. The 1.5 was only a 35-ounce capacity. This one is a 50. Okay, let's talk about the tips here on the front. So the tip that's on here right now, this is a kind of a misting tip. So when you pressurize the sprayer and you put release in it, this is going to mist it onto the surface. And so let's go ahead and get into that goodie bag here, and we'll explain the other tip that's in here. So this is the other tip that comes with the sprayer. This is actually pretty similar to the design of the one that's on the Foam Pro 2s, but it does not have any foaming capabilities. And all this tip does is disperse release or the liquid inside in a different way that isn't misting. It kind of just applies the liquid to the surface. So we'll show you how to change tips on here today. It's actually really simple. All you have to do is just unscrew counterclockwise the tip that's on the front. We'll set that off to the side. Take the other tip, put it in, and screw it back on. It's as easy as that. You can also adjust the angle of spray here if you want a vertical spray. Otherwise, you can take and loosen this up a little bit and change that to a horizontal spray. It's up to you for whatever your cleaning need is at the time. So let's go over pressurizing this container. This white tab right here is going to indicate when the container is pressurized. It'll actually pop up, and I'll show you that in just a second here. So right there, the white tab just popped up. There's a little bit of a gap between the black base right here and the bottom of the white tab. So that indicates that the sprayer is ready and it's pressurized and it's ready to spray. So again, make sure that your lock is off here, and you can just press down the button, and that's going to disperse your liquid. I don't have any liquid in this one right now. So let's say that you're done cleaning and you want to get the air pressure out of there without spraying it out the front. All you have to do is take and pull up on this little white tab right here. And that's going to take out all the air pressure in there, so it's now safe to unscrew and open your canister. Now let's talk about these red and green pucks that come in your kit. All they are is personal product identification. Okay, so you can put them on the end just like this. And it really serves as a identification for what is in the container. Maybe that's a different dilution ratio, maybe it's a different product, but a lot of times businesses and people that own multiple of these can easily lose track of what product is in what container. So this is a method and a way of identifying what is in each container, and it's all personal preference. You don't have to use them. It doesn't aid in the operation of the sprayer at all. So I'm going to demonstrate getting one of these off because it took me a couple of minutes the first time that I did it. So my best advice is to actually remove the container here when you want to take one of these off, so you have a little bit more working room. And then you're going to pull from the inside here. And just like that, it pops right off. You don't need any kind of tools for this sprayer to assemble it or to use it. It comes ready to go in the box, and when combined with the versatility of release, you can clean any surface without damaging the surface. Thanks for watching today's product spotlight. If you have any questions about the Multi Pro 2, drop a comment below or reach out to us and we'd be happy to help. Happy cleaning!